requirement for a listed lockable disconnect at the generator is based on National Electrical Code Section 700.10. This section necessitates a readily accessible disconnecting means to be provided at or near the location where the generator is connected to the premises wiring. This ensures that the generator can be disconnected from the premises wiring for servicing or maintenance. National Electrical Code Section 700.10 D2 also requires the disconnecting means to be rated for the maximum current that the generator can deliver. This ensures that the disconnecting means can safely interrupt the generator's output current in the event of a fault. The service disconnect at the house does not meet the requirements of National Electrical Code Section 700.10 done because it's not located at or near the generator. The factory installed circuit breaker in the generator may not meet the requirements of National Electrical Code Section 700.10 D2 if it is not rated for the maximum current that the generator can deliver. Therefore, a listed lockable disconnect must be installed at the generator to comply with National Electrical Code Section 700.10 D. The purpose of the additional lockable disconnect at the generator is to provide a secure and reliable means of disconnecting the generator from the rest of the electrical system for servicing or maintenance. This is crucial for safety reasons, as it prevents the generator from being energized while work is being performed on it. The installation described is different from installing a meter main on the pole and then feeding a main breaker panel at the house because in the case of the meter main, it is located at the point of service entrance and is required to have a disconnecting means. In the case of the generator, it is not located at the point of service entrance and therefore requires a disconnecting means at the generator location to comply with the code. The code emphasizes safety and accessibility for disconnecting the generator, especially when it's located a significant distance from the main service disconnect.